Hey guys, welcome to Havel International Airport.
In this video, we are featuring raw clips and a full ride on Finnair's classic Airbus A320.
Today we're going from Prague Havel Airport to Helsinki Vantaa Airport.
We'll be seated in an exit row with excellent views of the engine, enjoying a sweeping departure over the heart of Prague. From there, we fly north over Poland and cross the Baltic Sea. We start our journey here in Prague's Václav Havel International Airport on a crisp autumn day. Modernized after the fall of the Iron Curtain, Prague's airport is modern, convenient, and not too large, so it's easy to get through security and to your gate. A great experience overall.
Getting through security was fast. It was only 5 minutes to get through, so very efficient airport both times I've used it. Very quick lines and very, very clean.
Let's hop on board and give you some 4K point of view footage riding on the Airbus.
Cabin crew take your door assistance. Cabin crew arm your doors and cross-check. Thank you. Cabin crew ready for safety demonstration.
Nice leg room here on the exit row.
The Finns are proud of their blueberries, and Finnair's blueberry drink is their signature beverage, and this time served in their 100-year anniversary cup.
Switch off and stow on.
Finnair does maintain their A320s really well. They have an in-house maintenance shop, and that allows the airline to economically operate older airframes. But one pet peeve I have about older airframes are the scratched up inner panes on a lot of their passenger windows, making it difficult to get clear shots. Here's a bird's eye view of our approximate route of flight into Helsinki International, runway 22 left. Our flight wraps up with stunning views of Finnish forests as we approach Helsinki International and end with an awesome visit to the cockpit.
ovat saavutettu ja kone on täysin pysähtynyt. Ja varatut punavat matataan luukun, ettei tavaroita pääse putoamaan. Toivon sinun viihtyinen kanssanne tänään. Kiitoksia ja oikein mukavaa päivän jatkoa. A warm welcome to Helsinki. Please remain seated with your safety belt fastened until the safety belt sign has been switched off and the plane has come to a complete standstill. And please be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items may fall out. I hope that you had a pleasant flight bus today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks to the Finnair crew, we're able to explore the business end of this aircraft. We see the older style CRT screens, but newer backup display instruments. And here's a unique view back to the jump seat and the circuit breaker panel behind the first officer. We wrap up this flight exploring Helsinki's airport as we head out into city center. For Helsinki travel content and a full travel guide, check out the video linked below.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our flight on Finnair A320 from Prague to Helsinki. Very smooth flight.
Thanks for joining us on this flight today. If you enjoyed aviation content like this, please add a like and subscribe to my channel.